Working with IBM Rational XDE software development tools and got CIX files, these are configuration or data files from this UML modeling environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Rational XDE files. For those complex CIX formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later, after we attempt the common methods. CIX files are data files used by IBM Rational XDE Extended Development Environment, a UML modeling and software development tool. They contain configuration data, project information, or model elements used in software design and development workflows within the Rational XDE platform. CIX files use a proprietary format specific to Rational XDE storing project data as structured records with model elements, configuration parameters, and metadata. The structure preserves complete project state for accurate reproduction within the Rational XDE development environment. The recommended application from IBM for handling CIX is unequivocally Rational XDE. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. The fastest route to success is testing all the options. Right-click the CIX file and hit Open With. Use Rational XDE if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. The best fixes start with understanding the problem. Before we move to the universal tool, here are the technical culprits behind the file failure. First, opening in Rational XDE. Launch IBM Rational XDE and use File, then Open to load the CIX file within an existing project context. The application processes the data, integrating it with project elements. Note that Rational XDE has been discontinued in favor of Rational Software Architect for newer development. Next, migrating to modern tools. Since Rational XDE is discontinued, migrate models and projects to current IBM Rational Software Architect or Eclipse modeling framework. These newer tools provide migration paths for legacy XDE projects, enabling continued use of development models in supported environments. Finally, examining as text or XML. Open the CIX file in a text editor like Notepad++ or VS Code to examine its content. Many Rational tools use XML-based formats that are human-readable. The structure may reveal model elements or configuration data, even when the original software is unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.